Today we're here to unbox this Modelones polygel set. I've already opened it because I took pictures for Instagram. Hold on one second. Okay guys, so as I was saying, this all-in-one kit includes instruction manual. It comes with picture diagrams of everything that you might need to know. It comes with everything that is in the kit, question and answers, and then it goes on to give you thanks for your order. And as I said, it's an all-in-one kit. You check that out, you'll get everything you need. It has 8 pieces of solid gels, a top coat, base coat. It comes with I think it's 25 or so gel removal pads. It comes with a pink polygel and clear polygel, and it also comes with the white polygel as well, and they all come in 15 grams. Is it 15 grams? Yes, it should be 15 grams bottles, which holds a good amount. You can use it for a couple of times. But that's not all of it, guys. No, it's not done yet. Oh, I'm to your ear. We just get started. Okay, so the second section of this box has these plastic forms. I don't know why I didn't open it up and show you guys. I think I was gonna do a set on myself. It comes with rhinestones of all different sizes. It comes with a blinged out dust brush. That is so adorable. Hello. Yep, very cute. It comes with these rings that are filled with tape that you can use to decorate and design your nails. It comes in all different colors. It also comes with this brush. This is for the gels. It's a number 6. And this is the nice thing I like about this brush. After it comes in its own containers so that the brush won't be ruined. But this is what I like about this brush. After you open it, you can actually just close the brush up on itself so that you won't ruin the bristles. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. And when you're going to work, you just snap that son of a batter together and ba-da-dum, bam. You snap it together and it's ready to go. Bristles are all intact. Yes. Okay. Moving on. So it comes with a 180 grit washable disinfectable file. It also comes with this cuticle fork. A lot of people don't use these. I like them because, you know, it's one and done. You just use those little teeth and just slice that skin right off. Just be careful, you don't cut yourself. I like the cuticle pusher because it's dual purpose for front and back. Yeah, I don't know how that got in there. This is for the rhinestones and for the tape, whatever you want to do, that's what that's for. And it also comes with this 6-watt sun mini LED UV lamp. All the specifications are on the back, so you can check it out and figure that all out for yourself. And that is all that is in this kit. If you want to see me use this kit, guys, you have to tune in to my next video for how I got these designs, and I'm going to show you that this one is color changing and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for today. Bye, guys.